morning viewers, welcome to our Square Maths YouTube channel. So previously we discussed about circumradius of the right angle triangle. Okay, now we are going to discuss circumcenter for the given triangle, especially now here right angle triangle. By which method? Since it is circumcenter, it belongs to our coordinate geometry. We are going to discuss by fast track method. So for the time consuming process, so in order to avoid it, we are going to implement our fast track method for various competitive examinations, MCET and IIT JEE Mains, etc. So let us start our solution. So first of all, let us discuss our question. Find the circumcenter of the triangle formed by the vertices. So first of all, we have to check which type of triangle it is. So to check, let us follow now solution. Let A 1, 1, B 1, 4, C 5, 1 be the vertices of a triangle. ABC. So consider the distance. So we have the distance formula. D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So we are going to calculate our distance AB, BC and CA now. So therefore AB is equal to, so here x1 y1 and x2 y2. So 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 1 minus 1 the whole square. It is nothing but here 3 square plus 0 square. Finally here AB is equal to 3 you are going to get, because you are going to get here root of 9. Root of 9 is nothing but 3. So AB is equal to 3 centimeters. So next in the same way we are going to calculate our BC here. So for BC x1 and x2 y2. So 5 minus 1 the whole square plus here 4 minus 1 the whole square. Nothing but 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4 square plus 3 square. So this implies BC is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to root 25. So BC is equal to 5 some centimeters. Next, consider CA or AC. CA. So again, root of here I can write 5 minus 1 the whole square plus again here 1 minus 1 the whole square. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. So nothing but here. So this implies our value CA is here root of 16 plus here it is 0. Finally CA will be 4 centimeters. So we got 3 centimeters and 5 and 4. So we know that 3, 4, 5 forms a Pythagorean triplet. So it is nothing but a right angle triangle. So here our triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, since it is 5 centimeters stands for BC, so here it is B, here it is C, so 5 centimeters. Next A. Okay, so here AB is nothing but here 3 centimeters. Next AC is nothing but here 4 centimeters. Okay, so no need to find out each and everything. Here just to go through the since it is a right angle triangle. In our right angle triangle, the circumcenter lies at the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Our hypotenuse is this one BC. So the vertices of B here 1, 4 and here it is C is 5, 1. So apply midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 y1 and x2 y2 1 plus 5 by 2 comma here it is 4 plus 1 by 2. So it gives you 6 by 2, here it is 3 and here it is 5 by 2. Okay, so S is nothing but circumcenter. Circumcenter lies always at the midpoint of the hypotenuse for a given right angle triangle. So now here 3 comma 5 by 2 and here it is also 3 comma 5 by 2. So this therefore S 3 comma 5 by 2 is the circumcenter of triangle ABC. So in this way, just find out the triangle which type it is. If it is right angle triangle, go for the midpoint of the hypotenuse to get the circumcenter for the given right angle triangle. So by coordinate geometry concept, here it is the easiest method to find out the circumcenter by fast track method. So after watching the video, you can drop your comments, share, like, subscribe.